Hey guys, my name is Michelle. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a different kind of video for you today. I'm going to be showing you how I get these beautiful French acrylic nails from this Kiss brand. Okay, so if you'd like to see how I achieve these nails, I'm going to give you a demonstration. Stay tuned. Before you leave, please don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and turn on your post notification bell so you'll know when I upload my next video. Thank you for watching. Take care. So before we get started, you want to make sure that you have dry, clean, oil-free nails. So you do not need to have any lotion on your hands. That would be better. So excuse me if my hands look a little ashy. Alrighty, we're going to be using these Kiss nails here. And these are the acrylic French nails. Very pretty. Alrighty, so I have a nail file here. You can use this or emery board. And I have my lotion for when my moisturizer for when I'm finished. Alrighty, so let's open up the pack. Okay, it comes with the glue and a set of 28 nails so you can redo them. Oops. So you just have to find, it comes with a cuticle pusher, which you may need if you did not clean your cuticles, but I already cleaned mine, and a buffing emery board. Okay, so these are helpful. Let's organize them. And I like to use the buffing board to, you know, buff my nails so they're not so smooth, so the nails will stick better. Right, I already cleaned my cuticles. I'm just buffing them. Let me zoom you guys in. Okay, I'm just buffing them off, just going around. Okay, if you have to trim them, you would trim them. Mine, they're short, like that. See? Okay, so you just have to find the nails to match your nails. So I'm just gonna pour them out here. And this is the nail glue. Try to put everything neatly. So you just find, you know, the ones to match your nails, like so. So this one matched my thumb, so that's gonna go here on that side. Now let's try to match the other side. Okay, this one matched my thumb on this side. Okay, this one is the index finger. Let's go from this way. It's my ring finger. This one is the middle finger. Middle finger. Okay, index finger. And then we have the pinky. Alrighty. And let's do the other side. So this is a thumb. Okay. Ring finger. index finger. So we're good. So to make things easy, we'll just take these out of the way, put them back in the box, because we already have what we're going to need, right? Okay, so now we have our glue. Okay, it's already ready. So now what I like to do is I like to put the glue on my nail first, like so. Let me zoom you guys all the way in. Put the glue on my nails like so. Turn the nail over and just put a couple drops there. Make sure you have enough so the nail could stick, and then you just you're gonna hold it for a few seconds like that. See? And just like that, it's done. So I like to work from side to side, so let me do the other side. All right, I just put like one drop of the glue. All right, I kind of like to push the nail forward, like push it down with my thumb in the front here, so that I won't get that much air bubbles in it, so it will be nice and smooth. If not, you can see where the glue ends or where the glue settles on your nail, so it does not look that natural. Okay, and try to, you know, clean up around the nail if any glue gets outside. So that's what we have going on so far. Now let's work on the other one. Okay. Okay, just one drop. It's not coming out. See? Okay, if any glue gets around your cuticle, you can just wipe it off. Oh, I think this one might be crooked. If they're crooked, try to catch that before you before it's really dry. All right, let me do one more on this hand. So, you know, you can do these when you need to get your nails done, but you don't want to go and sit in the nail salon. Personally, I don't like going to the nail salon because I don't like the smell of the acrylic. It smells bad. And I really don't think it's good for you to be breathing in that stuff anyways. I don't like how it smells. And this is, you know, a quick fix. You leave them on for a week or two. You take them off, you let your nail breathe. Wear your nails for like a week or so, and then you do it all over again. I feel like this one's crooked. But, alrighty, let's do the other side. So it's best if you take them out, you know. You measure which one fits your nail, and then just take them out so you can just go with the flow. I buy these all the time. They have different colors, different shapes, different lengths, whichever you like. And this take what, like 10 minutes to do? And when you're done, you're brand new. You can't even tell that you didn't go to the salon to get your nails done. And you saw how my hands looked before, right? So, big difference. Again, clean off the nails that gets on the side. Push these down. And we're almost done. Make sure you cover your whole entire nail with the glue. And then I'll just put like a dot on the actual nail itself, and that would spread out. About 10 to 15 seconds. Ready? We're almost there. Sometimes if you're not careful, your finger feels like this one. Let's put the dot here first this time. Put the dot all over my nail. I guess you can do maybe more than one at the same time, but I like to do them separate, just in case. Okay, clean up around the edges. Or you can use the orange stick, like that, if you got any glue around your cuticles. And we're almost there, guys. Hold it down. And just like that, a full set of nail. Let me zoom you guys out so you could see. And now all we need to do is make sure that we don't have dry looking hands. Put some moisturizer on it. See? Now you're brand new. What do you guys think? Like that. I like them. Okay guys, so we have come to the end of the video. I hope you enjoy watching. Leave me some comments and let me know if you do wear press-on nails, or if you would try these press-on nails. I think they're very convenient. If you have somewhere to go and you don't have a few hours to go and sit in the nail salon, then you go ahead and get your box of press-on and do your nails. So I hope you enjoyed the video, and thanks for watching.